how to change the opacity of elements on Wix. So in here, I have two elements. One is an image, one is the button. So if you want to change the opacity of element, just head over and click on that particular element. Then click on this icon, which is the sign icon. Now from in here, you can see this. So just click on this customize design and it will open this. So just hover to any part of this. Like for example, let's head over and click on any one of this. They have some image frame ideas right here. Click on this particular frame. You can just choose the frame that you want to. So for this one, you can choose any frame. So I'll head over and then just choose this. This one has some corners. You can change up the border and also some width. You can see in here that they have the opacity and color. So you can head over and then change up the opacity on that one. Like for example, you can put it around 24 and it will make some changes to your particular image. Now another option is to head over and click on this button. You head over and click on this design as well. Then click on this customize design. It will open this button design. In here you can see this. So I just click on this background fills and we have it here the opacity. So just adjust it as well to your liking, and as you can see, this will apply opacity onto your actual element. From in there, just head over and then save this progress. So that's how you change the opacity of elements on Wix. Hope we helped.